Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and good day to my beloved and beautiful Dr. Fauziah. My name is Muhammad Argumentative bin Aizrami, and my metric number is B132310193, and I am from Year 3 BMKM Maintenance from Faculty FTKM Mechanical. This video explain my preparation process of my argumentative speech titled "Consistency in Eating Habit is more important than the type of diet for sustainable weight loss." In this video, I will briefly explain how I prepare my topic, consultation from my lecturer, and how I improve my speech before the actual presentation. I chose this topic because many people believe that following a specific diet is the key to weight loss, while they often ignore the long-term eating habits. During my preparation, I read articles and academic results related to eating behavior and sustainable weight loss. From my research, I learned that consistency in eating pattern help people maintain results over a longer period compared to short diet trend. This helped me develop a clear position for my argumentative speech. After completing my first draft, I discussed my speech with my lecturer to receive feedback. My beloved Puan Fauziah also advised me to simplify my language, make my argument clearer, and ensure the speech is suitable for oral presentation. I was also reminded to control my timing and focus on delivering my ideas confidently rather than memorizing the script word for word. This feedback helped me improve both my content and delivery. After revising my script, I practiced my speech several times using cue card with words. I timed myself and focused on clear pronunciation, eye contact, and reducing filler words. Through this preparation process, I learned that effective public speaking requires planning, feedback, and consistency practice. I now feel confident and ready to deliver my argumentative speech. Thank you.